Are you tired of feeling like a squirrel on caffeine, constantly getting distracted and unable to focus on the important things in life? Do you find yourself scrolling mindlessly through social media instead of crushing your goals? Well, fear not, my friends, because in this video we're going to give you the ultimate solution to fixing your focus, the David Goggins cookie jar method, so sit back and get ready to become a focus master with the help of growth getters. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks for personal growth and success. Part 1. Why you can't focus. First things first, let's talk about why we struggle to focus. We all know the feeling. You sit down to work on a project, but suddenly you find yourself scrolling through Instagram or ending up going down the YouTube rabbit hole. So why is it so hard to stay focused? Psychologically, many of us struggle with focus because we're overwhelmed with too many things on our plate, we have too many responsibilities, and not enough time to complete them all. This can lead to feelings of stress, anxiety, and ultimately a lack of focus. Biologically, our brains are wired to seek out novelty and stimulation. We're constantly bombarded with new information and distractions which our brains crave. This can make it difficult to focus on one task for an extended period of time. Environmentally, we live in a world that is designed to distract us. Social media notifications, television ads, and the constant buzz of our smartphones are vying for our attention. It's no wonder we have a hard time focusing. In addition to these factors, there are 5 big reasons why we struggle to focus. Number 1, lack of motivation. If we're not passionate about a task or we don't see the value in it, it can be hard to stay focused. Number 2, procrastination. Many of us are guilty of putting off tasks until the last minute, which can make it harder for us to focus when the deadline is looming. Number 3, multitasking. Trying to do too many things at once can make it difficult to stay focused on any one task. Number 4, fatigue. If we're tired or haven't slept well, it can be hard to concentrate on anything without drifting off. Number 5, emotional distress. It may be difficult to focus on anything else if we are experiencing emotional pain or personal problems. Part 2. The cookie jar method. Now that we've identified some of the reasons why we struggle to focus, let's talk about how we can fix it. The cookie jar method is a technique created by David Goggins, a retired Navy SEAL and ultra-endurance athlete, to help him push through the toughest of challenges. The concept behind the cookie jar method is simple. Whenever you face a difficult situation or feel like giving up, you can reach into your mental cookie jar and pull out a memory of a time when you overcame a similar challenge. This memory can be used to give you the motivation and focus you need to push through your current obstacle. David Goggins created the cookie jar method when he was training for a 100-mile race and was struggling to stay motivated. He realized that he needed to find a way to push through the pain and discomfort, and that's when he came up with the idea of the cookie jar. He started by writing down all of his accomplishments, big and small, and putting them in a jar. When he was struggling during his training, he would reach into the jar and pull out a memory to remind himself of what he was capable of achieving. This technique helped him to push through the toughest moments of his training and achieve his goals. Now, let's take a closer look at how you can use the cookie jar method to improve your focus and achieve your goals. Step 1. Create your own cookie jar. The first step in using the cookie jar method is to create your own mental cookie jar. Take time to reflect on past experiences where you overcame a difficult challenge. Whether it be a personal, academic, or professional accomplishment, write these down and keep them in a place where you can easily access them when you need a motivational boost. Creating your own mental cookie jar can be a fun and unique experience. You can use colorful sticky notes or index cards to write down your accomplishments and victories. And then, fold them up and place them in a jar. To make it even more fun, you can decorate the jar with stickers or paint, and even add some cookies to it. Just make sure not to eat them all before you need to use them for motivation. Whether you're feeling down or need a boost of motivation, reach into your cookie jar and pull out a memory. It's like a little surprise gift to yourself that can help you stay focused and motivated. Step 2. Visualize your success. A visualization is a powerful tool that can help you to stay focused and motivated. Imagine yourself successfully completing your current task, and then visualize the feeling of accomplishment that comes with it. This will help you stay focused and motivated even when faced with distractions. Visualizing your success doesn't have to be a boring or serious task. You can make it fun and unique by using your imagination to create a mental movie of yourself achieving your goals. Imagine yourself as the hero of your own story, with a dramatic soundtrack playing in the background as you conquer your challenges. Or if you prefer a more lighthearted approach, imagine yourself as a cartoon character with a catchy theme song playing as you triumph over your obstacles. Whatever approach you choose, make sure to have fun with it and let your imagination run wild. Step 3. Build mental toughness. Mental toughness is the ability to push through difficult challenges and stay focused on your goals. This can be built by regularly pushing yourself out of your comfort zone and tackling new challenges. Keep in mind that the more you practice mental toughness, the more effortless it will become. Building mental toughness can be a challenging task, but it doesn't have to be boring. You can make it fun and unique by turning it into a game or competition with yourself. Set small achievable goals for yourself and challenge yourself to surpass them. For example, if you're trying to build mental toughness in your workouts, challenge yourself to run an extra 5 minutes on the treadmill or do 5 more reps of your exercise. If you're trying to build mental toughness in your work, challenge yourself to complete a task in less time than you did the day before. By turning it into a game, you can make building mental toughness fun and motivating. Step 4. Take breaks. Taking breaks may seem counterintuitive when you're trying to stay focused, but research has shown that taking short breaks can actually improve productivity and focus. So take a few minutes to stretch, meditate, or even go for a walk. This will help you recharge and come back to your task with renewed focus and energy. Taking breaks doesn't have to be a dull or unproductive activity. You can make it fun and unique by using your breaks to do something you enjoy. Take a few minutes to listen to your favorite song or watch a funny video on YouTube. Or if you have a creative hobby like drawing or painting, use your break time to work on a project. By doing something you enjoy during your break, you'll feel more energized and refreshed when you return to your work. Step 5. Eliminate distractions. Finally, it's important to eliminate as many distractions as possible. This can be done by turning off notifications on your phone, closing unnecessary tabs on your computer, and finding a quiet space to work in. Remember, every distraction is a potential roadblock to your focus, so do your best to eliminate them. Eliminating distractions doesn't have to be a tedious or frustrating task. You can make it fun and unique by turning it into a game or challenge. Set a timer for 30 minutes and challenge yourself to work without checking your phone or social media. Or challenge yourself to see how many tasks you can complete without getting distracted by your surroundings. By turning it into a challenge, you can make eliminating distractions a fun and motivating activity. And that's a wrap. You now have a better understanding of why we sometimes struggle to focus and some powerful solutions to overcome it, like the cookie jar method. Remember, staying focused is a key component of achieving your goals, and with a little practice and the right mindset, you can overcome any obstacle that comes your way. So take the time to create your own cookie jar, visualize your success, build your mental toughness, take breaks, and eliminate distractions. And as always, thank you for tuning into our channel. We hope you found this video informative and entertaining, and if you did, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this in the future.